Science and discovery. What's inside a seed? In a small village nestled between tall trees and lush meadows, lived a young girl named Maya. Every Monday, she eagerly awaited the science and discovery class, where she could learn about the wonders of nature. One fine day, she found herself intrigued by seeds scattered around her grandmother's garden. "What's inside a seed, Grandma?" she asked. With the help of her grandmother, Maya carefully opened a sunflower seed, using a pair of tweezers, and placed it under the microscope. "Look at this!" she exclaimed, as tiny roots and a sprout appeared on the screen. Over the next few days, Maya collected seeds from various plants in her grandmother's garden and began experimenting with them. She marveled at how different each seed looked, yet they all contained a secret surprise within. One sunny afternoon, Maya invited her friends over to show them what she had discovered. She explained how each seed was like a tiny time capsule, holding the promise of new life. They were fascinated by the idea and couldn't wait to try it for themselves. The children gathered around a table filled with different seeds, soil, and small pots. They carefully planted each seed and watered them gently. As they watched the soil settle, they could hardly contain their excitement for what was to come. A week later, a sprout broke through the soil in one of the pots. "Look!" Maya shouted, pointing excitedly at the tiny green shoot. The children cheered as they witnessed the miracle of growth right before their eyes. Over the following weeks, the children continued to care for their plants, watering them regularly and marveling at their growth. The tiny seedlings transformed into strong, vibrant sprouts, filling the air with fresh green scent. As summer drew to a close, the children's plants had grown into beautiful, mature plants. They proudly showed off their creations to their families and neighbors, who were amazed by their dedication and knowledge. One crisp autumn day, Maya picked ripe sunflowers from her garden and shared them with her friends. As they admired the bright yellow petals, she reminded them of their journey from curious seeds to blooming plants. They marveled at the magic that lay within each tiny seed. That evening, as the sun began to set, Maya and her friends gathered around a crackling fire. They discussed their favorite plants and shared what they had learned from the seed experiment. They agreed that it was one of the most fascinating things they had ever done. As they stared into the flames, Maya and her friends made plans for their next adventure in the world of science. They knew that there was always something new to learn and discover, and they couldn't wait to uncover the mysteries that lay ahead. As the night sky shimmered above them, Maya and her friends looked up at the stars, filled with wonder and excitement. They knew that just as seeds held a hidden surprise, so did the universe. And they couldn't wait to explore the unknown and uncover the secrets that lay beyond.